All right, I'm going to try and go through this Unit 1 review of questions you might have and things you will see on the test. So like 1 through 10 right here, look for your 1.02 notes. This is also the notes that I posted when it said notes or 1.02 notes, like example. This is where you'll find those. Make sure you know how they're labeled, okay? Hint, hint. That will be on the test. So as in like a point, it's a capital letter. For a line, it's 2 letters with an arrow above those 2 letters. So like AB. A line segment is 2 letters again, but with no arrows. Array, 2 letters again, but remember it only has 1 arrow at the end and it has to be on the right side. A plane, okay, it's labeled with 3 points or a capital cursive letter. Okay, collinear means all on the same line. Coplanar means all the same plane. Okay, so the intersections of plane BAF and GHE, so we're going to change that to, what did I say? BAF, and then we'll do CDE. Sorry, that's my dog. So I'm looking for a line that intersects those both planes. So what you're looking for is a line that touches both planes. So if you notice, we have 2 lines here. We have a line segment and a line. And this line right here does not touch both planes at all times. Okay, so you notice that this part of the line and this part of the line aren't necessarily on plane M or BAF, as what you would say. But plane BA is touching both planes at all times. So this would be something like line segment BA. And that's exactly what I'm looking for. On the test, this is exactly what I'm looking for. If you put B, comma A, that's wrong. Okay? If you put AD, that's wrong. Okay? So it has to be the whole line segment. All right, the intersection of plane CDA and HC, there is no HC here, but we did DE, braid DE. So remember, the intersection of a plane and a line is a point, so I'm looking for a point. All right, and collinear just means points that are on the same line. All right, true or false, you will have something like this on the test. This is still unit 1.02/1.03. Okay, so are points A, E, B collinear? Okay, the moment you change direction in your line, those points are not collinear. Okay, so because 14, A, B, E, because we changed directions, those lines are not on the same line. Are C, A, D, and F coplanar? So coplanar means same plane. So you're looking for something, it said C, A, D, F. So CAD is this plane right here that I'm highlighting in red. Does CAD touch point F? It would be no, because your point F is on a total different plane. Now A, F, and D are on the same plane, but C is not on that same plane, so the answer would be false as well. All right, 16. Plane EFG and ABE intersect at point E. All right, well, remember that postulate. 2 planes intersect at a line. two planes intersect at a line. So if it gives you a point, that's an automatic false answer. It's an automatic false answer. So you're welcome for these questions. But it's very important that the last year that was probably the most missed questions, my true and false. Hey, give me my jacket back. Stop. Okay. My dog has a hold of my jacket sleeve. All right, segment link number line. Count the distance. Okay, so there's two ways you can do this. You can make your own number line. Okay. You can make your own number line, or you can do the formula. So I'm going to do the formula. Okay, so D equals, distance equals the absolute value of A minus B. Okay, well, remember the absolute value just turns whatever we subtract positive, always positive. So we just do A minus B. So A and B. Okay, so our A is -3. Cinch, I'm going to hurt you. So -3 minus 5. And close the absolute value bar. So -3 minus 5 gets you a -8. But remember, the absolute value bars change it positive. So your distance here is 8. All right, I'm going to go put my dog away, and I will be back.